Coming soon to own on video cassette.
Coming soon from Walt Disney Pictures. When he shrunk the kids, he promised his shrinking days were over.
All right, shrink machine, one last time.
But Rick Moranis has done it again.
We have critical mass.
Only this time,
are we shrunk?
You shrunk us?
he's still got a few bugs to work out. From the makers of the smash hit Honey, I Shrunk the Kids comes a hilarious new movie, Honey, We Shrunk Ourselves.
You idiot! Don't you guys! They could step on us!
Now, they'll go to any lengths
I'm scared stiff.
and any heights to get the kids' attention before it's too late.
Get ready to party. You can't have a party.
What are you gonna do about it? Some believe it. You are dead meat, mister!
Gordon, you're 3/4 of an inch tall.
It's the fastest.
Hold on! It's a jump!
The laundry chute!
It's the funniest.
Oh, we're going over!
I don't think we're using enough fabric softener.
Jump!
Hang on to what?
It's the tastiest.
They're teenage girls. How much can they eat? Watch out!
And it's the wildest motion picture event of the year. Disney's Honey, We Shrunk Ourselves.
You know, Dad, I didn't invite those boys over.
Coming exclusively to video.
It's coming. The full-length movie. Mighty Ducks, the first face-off on video April 8th.
Now available to own on video cassette.
Since its inception, Eden Hall Academy has taken great pride in its tradition of excellence.
And so today, we proudly open our doors via full scholarships to a truly gifted group of student athletes.
Hi, we're the Ducks.
The Mighty Ducks are back.
School looks stuffy, but we'll loosen it up, huh, Coach? I'm not gonna be your coach this year, Charlie.
They've got a new coach.
What's the one thing all great teams have in common?
Great coaching.
Don't try to suck up to me, Averman.
They've got a new school.
Every Monday, you'll have a practice quiz. And anytime I feel like it, you'll have a surprise exam.
But it's the same old Duck attitude.
Same old Ducks.
My dad said I better stay in on scholarship or he whipped my butt.
We're the new hockey team, and you are...
Varsity, the only hockey team.
Just wait till we hit the ice, then they get to see the real Mighty Ducks.
Gonna like you, Pukes.
Who took my clothes? Oh, man. We gotta respond. Ever see what liquid nitrogen does to your clothes?
Ducks. The Ducks are dead.
You're breaking up the best thing any of us ever had.
It's time to grow up.
JV varsity games on Friday. Then we'll show the whole school what a joke you really are.
I want a piece of these guys.
The coolest team on ice is learning there's more to playing the game
It's not just about hockey.
than they ever imagined.
We need to beat the varsity, so the board could take away your scholarships.
Don't be careless, but don't be too careful either.
I told them that you were the heart of the team.
You cannot be afraid to lose.
You know we're gonna hurt you.
Bring it on.
D3, the Mighty Ducks.
Quack, quack.
Miramax Family Films presents Jason James Richter, the star of Free Willy, in The Never-Ending Story 3, Escape from Fantasia, based on the best-selling book by Michael Ende. The adventure continues for everyone who loves the series.
The never-ending story.
All your favorite characters are back in an all-new movie about a young man
Bastian.
whose destiny is controlled by a magical storybook.
How can something that's happening right now be in this book?
Every move you make is part of your story.
But Bastian's story has fallen into the wrong hands.
Maybe we could make a few things happen to him.
The Nasties must have the never-ending story. They're the ones making all this stuff happen.
Help me!
This evil force comes from the human world.
This is my story, and I'm not gonna let it happen.
Now he'll risk everything
How's he going to get the book away from these thugs?
to save two worlds.
Hurry up, let's go.
This spring, you can own the never-ending adventure and the never-ending fun.
Your buddy's gone.
Well, your buddy went years ago.
Your whole family will enjoy. Take a journey beyond your imagination. The Never-Ending Story 3. Escape from Fantasia.
And now, our feature presentation.